Hello, and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. We are going to shoot and set our 2019 GMC Sierra we got here. We are shooting our glue with our not WRD. This one is Meritool, makes this the Powerpush 6000 AGR, and an excellent gun. In my personal opinion, I like it better than the Milwaukee. The tubes do not come in this color. That is my paint job because I have a tendency to get bored and want to change things. So we're going to shoot this. Make sure you are vertical when you are shooting, and let's go. This tool does not run quite as fast as the Milwaukee, which I like. And as I said before, when you get to these corners and you slow down, and sometimes you'll get a little bit of a double clutch with your finger, speeding up and slowing down, and you'll wind up where it goes and it blows out a big old blob right in your corner. I have tried to get this thing to do that just by, and it stays even. I've tried it while shooting. I've tried it like this with the paper towels, and I cannot get it to have that trigger spasm like the Milwaukee does from time to time. So let's put some tape on this and we will get this set with our WRD PRO6 IS installation system here. And this one's got a shark's fin right there, so we're going to need to move this one over a little bit. Stuck there. And put our bar back in. Make sure our cups are nice and tight. This one doesn't look like it's let go at all. We're good to go. Going to lift our glass here, give this a hook, and then simply walk it around. And you can see the control I have here. I can move it wherever I need to on that other side over there. The two handles give me plenty of control. Drop this in right there. Come over to your other side. Going to lift up on this. Simply pop this loose and hang that on my apron and drop this side in. Get your tape in place. Make sure you pop this off before you open your door, because as you can see, that will hit there. If you want to use this cup, simply pull your handle out, but this being the vehicle it is, we're just going to pop that loose. Just hang those in place. If we need to pull this one up, we can just grab the bottom of the glass since it hangs over that edge a little bit. Check our top. We can pull this up a bit. Make sure we're tight there. Same on this side. Jump up. Check our reveal here. Let me pull that up. Make sure we are all decked down. Pop your cups. And that is setting with the WRD PRO6 IS. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video.